Have you ever missed a day in your planner or skipped a habit and immediately thought, great, I've failed again? Now, you're not alone and you're definitely not failing. In fact, missing a day might be your brain's way of telling you something important, something deeper. And today I'm going to share what that something is and how to finally let go of the guilt. Now, make sure to stick around because by the end of this video, I'll show you how to use seasonal planning to make consistent progress even during your messy middle. Let's go. Now, if you clicked on this video, chances are you've been trying to stick to a habit or a routine. Maybe it's journaling, drinking more water, exercising, or just showing up for yourself. But then life happens. You skip a day, then two, and suddenly you feel like you've undone all your progress. I get it. I've been there, and I used to believe that missing a day meant I was falling behind, like I just wasn't disciplined enough. But here's the truth. Skipping a day doesn't make you a failure. It makes you human. Let's talk about something no one tells us. Most productivity and habit advice is designed for a perfectly linear life. But real life isn't linear. It's seasonal. There are weeks when we're energized and focused, and weeks where we're overwhelmed, caregiving, managing health, juggling careers, or just trying to stay afloat. That's why the every single day mindset can feel like a trap. It doesn't leave room for life. So instead of asking, why can't I stay consistent? Try asking, is the method I'm using right for the season I'm in? So let me introduce you to something that's changed everything for me. Seasonal planning. This is the idea that your planning and habits shift with your life season, not the calendar season necessarily, but your emotional, physical, mental, or circumstantial seasons. Let's say, for example, in your spring season, you might be building momentum, ready for a fresh start. And then in your summer season, you're thriving and you can push a little more. But then in your autumn, maybe you're slowing down and reflecting. And in winter, you're resting, recovering, or just surviving is enough. Planning that honors your life season is flexible, gentle, and sustainable. Now, here's the part nobody glamorizes, but everybody lives through: the messy middle. That place between starting and succeeding where things feel uncertain. You're not where you used to be, but not where you want to be just yet. And this is where most people quit, where I've quit. But here's the shift. Instead of measuring success by perfect streaks, measure it by returning. Every time you come back to your planner, your habit, your intention, that's progress. Progress isn't perfect rows of little check boxes. It's showing up again and again, especially after the missed days. So let's reframe what missed day means. It's not a failure, it's a data point, a signal, a chance to ask, was I tired? Was it unrealistic for this season? Did I need more rest? Was I following someone else's pace instead of my own? Every missed day gives you valuable feedback about your life, your limits, and your needs. When you remove the shame, you create space to respond to your life instead of constantly reacting with guilt. So here's what I want you to take away from this video today. You're not failing, you're adjusting. Habits are a relationship, not a checklist. Treat them with care and understanding, and use seasonal planning. Ask yourself, what do I truly need this week? What's realistic right now? And celebrate the return. One skip day, no big deal. The return is more powerful than the streak. So here's a little bonus. I have a free, simple habit tracker printable to help you map your rhythms and align your current season. Make sure to check the link in the description to download it. It's gentle and it's helped me and my community so much. If you've ever felt defeated by a skip day, I hope this video helped you breathe a little easier. You are not behind, you are not broken, you are navigating life and you're doing better than you think. Like this video if you needed this reminder today. And I want you to comment below. What's one habit you're learning to be more compassionate with? If this kind of gentle, compassionate approach to planning is resonating with you, I just want to quickly mention my Plannerets Inner Circle membership is opening soon. It's my private community for women who are done with guilt-based planning and want real support, gentle structure, and the tools that actually fit their season of life. If that sounds like something you've been craving, I'll leave the waitlist link in the description so you can be the first to know when it opens. And if you want to go deeper into creating habits and routines for your wellness, check out my video right here. Keep going, messy, middle, and all. Progress isn't perfect, it's showing up again and again.